how to clear your search history on Facebook. Now let's say whenever you tap on search icon right here, you will be able to see every recent searches that you have made on your account. Now you can pretty much clear your search history by tapping on see all right here. And you'll be able to see this section that says clear all. Another way for you to thoroughly clear your search history is to go back and click on these three lines on the upper corner right here and scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Once you're on your settings and privacy, all you have to do is to tap on settings and then scroll down until you find your activity section wherein activity log is located. You just have to click on that. And under activity log, you'll be able to see a category on the upper part of this selection right here. So you just have to scroll it until you find search history right here. You just have to click on that and you will be able to see every searches that you have made on your account. Now, in order for you to thoroughly clear the search history you have on your Facebook account, all you have to do is to tap on clear searches right here. Once you click on that, all of the search history that you had will automatically be cleared. So that's how to clear your search history on Facebook. Hope we helped.